Hello there. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are passing good time. I have come here to practice my English. You know that I don't have any microphone. For coming here, the main reason is this place is very quiet and peaceful. You can see there are no people around me. Actually, I have come here to making video. If I make video local area or local place, video sound won't be good. That's why I am here. Actually, I'm trying to practice my English. I'm trying to learn English every single day. What I learn English every day, I try to use them practically.